Item 110. Excavation. 1. Description. Excavate areas as shown on the plans or as directed. Remove materials encountered to the lines, grades, and typical sections shown on the plans and cross-sections. 2. Construction. Accept ownership of unsuitable or excess material and dispose of material in accordance with local, state, and federal regulations at locations outside the right-of-way. Maintain drainage in the excavated area to avoid damage to the roadway section. Correct any damage to the subgrade caused by weather at no additional cost to the department. Shape slopes to avoid loosening material below or outside the proposed grades. Remove and dispose of slides as directed. 2.1 Rock cuts. Excavate to finish subgrade. Manipulate and compact subgrade in accordance with section 132.3.4, compaction methods, unless excavation is to clean homogeneous rock at finish subgrade elevation. Use approved embankment material compacted in accordance with section 132.3.4, compaction methods, to replace undercut material at no additional cost if excavation extends below finish subgrade. 2.2 Earth cuts. Excavate to finish subgrade. Scarify subgrade to a uniform depth at least 6 inches below finish subgrade elevation in areas where base or pavement structure will be placed on subgrade. Manipulate and compact subgrade in accordance with section 132.3.4, compaction methods. Take corrective measures as directed if unsuitable material is encountered below subgrade elevations. 2.3 Subgrade tolerances. Excavate to within 1/2 inches in cross-section and 1/2 inches in 16 feet measured longitudinally for turnkey construction. Excavate to within 0.1 feet in cross-section and 0.1 feet in 16 feet measured longitudinally for staged construction. 3. Measurement. This item will be measured by the cubic yard in its original position as computed by the method of average end areas. This is a plans quantity measurement item. The quantity to be paid is the quantity shown in the proposal unless modified by Article 9.2, Plans Quantity Measurement. Additional measurements or calculations will be made if adjustments of quantities are required. Limits of measurement for excavation in retaining wall areas will be as shown on the plans. Shrinkage or swelling factors will not be considered in determining the calculated quantities. 4. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for excavation, roadway, excavation, channel, excavation, special, or excavation, roadway and channel. This price is full compensation for authorized excavation, drying, undercutting subgrade and reworking or replacing the undercut material in rock cuts, hauling, disposal of material not used elsewhere on the project, scarification and compaction, and equipment, labor, materials, tools, and incidentals. Drying required deeper than 6 inches below subgrade elevation will be paid for in accordance with Article 9.7, Payment for Extra Work and Force Account Method. Excavation and replacement of unsuitable material below subgrade elevations will be performed and paid for in accordance with the applicable bid items. However, if item 132, embankment, is not included in the contract, payment for replacement of unsuitable material will be paid for in accordance with Article 9.7, Payment for Extra Work and Force Account Method. When a slide not due to the contractor's negligence or operation occurs, payments for removal and disposal of the slide material will be in accordance with Article 9.7, Payment for Extra Work and Force Account Method. Excavation in backfill areas of retaining walls will not be measured or paid for directly but will be subsidiary to pertinent items.